I'm in the Fisher Range of the Canadian Rocky Mountains today. I'm doing some peak bagging and some scrambling, but I'm also out testing this pack. This is the Outdoor Vitals Skyline. It's a 30-liter fast packing running style pack. This is the first time that I'm trying this one out, and I just want to use it today to get a feeling if it's something that I'd like to use long term. Whew. All right. I've emptied out my pack completely. So one trekking pole, the pack, bear spray, water bottle, ski strap, 1 liter hydro flask with a bee-free water filter, 1/2 liter soft flask. I think that's a Solomon, my Garmin InReach, some food, a helmet. This is the Black Diamond Vapor. It weighs next to nothing. I have the Black Diamond Deploy hoodie, extra clothes. In here I have extra underwear, extra socks, warm gloves, warm hat, rain pants, shell, so rain jacket, 1-person tarp, 5x7 I think it is, some work gloves. These are really great for scrambling. When you take a slip, it can really just bite some chunks of skin out of you. I have my poop kit with a small trowel from Sulik 46, some toilet paper, then my outdoor essentials kit. This basically has everything I need in terms of first aid, utility stuff, repairs, etc. Skyline is a small, fast packing style backpack that is kind of a hybrid of two types of packs. The first is an ultralight style of backpack with the standard features. So a roll top with a simple buckle that gives you access to the main compartment, large for this size of pack, stretch, mesh, pocket on the back of the pack, 2 stretch mesh pockets on each side. What I really like about these so far is that they actually fit water bottles. A lot of these smaller packs don't have that. And then it has the running style vest with a lot of pockets. So it's got 2 main large pockets that you can put bear spray or a water flask, 2 water flasks, however you want to do it. Then these larger pockets at the bottom where you can easily fit some bars, some food, whatever you want. Another pocket in front of the main one, and then a zippered pocket on both sides, so it's even. You can figure out whatever you want to do here. Interesting features that are a little bit different. It has this large stretch bottom pocket that basically goes through. It's a big cylinder that goes from one side to the other, so it's not shut on one side. On one side, there's actually another bottom pocket, a zippered pocket. I haven't decided exactly how I would use all of those, but they're options. They say that it's a 30-liter pack. I think it's a little bit smaller. That might be total volume, I'm not quite sure. It feels a little bit smaller than 30 liters, definitely bigger than the 22-liter packs by Black Diamond. Overall, I think it's a winner. They built a very simple pack with some great features. It has that standard ultralight design with the roll top opening, big stretch pocket, great harness with lots of pockets. It's really comfortable, and some innovation or some interesting features with that bottom pocket and the bottom zip pocket. I weighed my pack before leaving home this morning, and it was 6 pounds, 10 ounces without water and food, and it carries really well. A few things that I can't speak to are the durability, the weatherproofness, and how well it carries when you run. It looks like it's made out of some kind of standard pack fabric, so that won't be as weatherproof as something like Ultra or DCF, but that reduces the cost, and I really do appreciate that. I think we've gone a little bit crazy with the fabrics, and no matter what, fabric can't keep your gear completely dry. I'll probably end up just lining it with a plastic bag. If you're on the market for a small, really functional day pack with that running vest style of harness, or if you have a really dialed in kit and you want to do some crazy light and fast overnights, this could be the pack for you. 18.5 kilometers, 1,276 meters vertical, 7 hours and 45 minutes, kind of slow. If you want to watch something else and see scrambling and navigation and real-time decision making.
To me, the Highline looks like the easier one.
It's gonna be easy. I did a trip with Dan Durston, the brain behind Durston Gear, we did a really incredible route through high alpine in one of the most spectacular parts of the Canadian Rockies. I'll link it right here.